Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this delicious beetroot rice. Guys, this is my favorite rice recipe by far. Now to my pot, I added in oil, some bay leaf, sliced onion. I allowed the onion to fry for about 2 minutes, and then I added in my chopped or minced habanero pepper. You can omit it if you don't like it spicy. And then I came in with my shredded beets. This is a very simple rice recipe that you can make for your family. And guys, beetroot has a lot of great health benefits. So I'll add in my ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper. You can add in any spices or seasoning of choice, and then we'll give it a nice stir. Now at this point, I'll allow it to fry for about, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll come in with my rice. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I love you and I appreciate you. I've added in my rice. I'll allow it to toast or fry for about, let's say, 2 minutes, and then we'll add in some water. You can use cold or hot water, but most of the time I use hot water. I added in my salt to taste, and then we'll stir it up. Did you know beetroot protects against cancer, improves liver health, and it has a lot of great and wonderful health benefits? You can juice it, you can cook it, you can even add it to your salads, and guys, you will definitely enjoy it. It's one of my favorite vegetables. I've added in my water. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the rice absorbs all the water. Now at this point, you can add any vegetables of choice. I added in celery and parsley. Guys, this rice was so good. The aroma and the vegetable choice, or the choice of vegetables that I added to it, it was really delicious. And I hope you would try this, during the holidays for your family. So I use my ladle to poke holes or to create wells. And then I covered it with aluminum foil and I allowed it to cook until the rice was tender. And that should take about 7 to 10 minutes, guys. And then you can garnish it with some green onion or scallion. This rice, oh my gosh, it was the best. It was so, so, so delicious. My family really enjoyed it. Now, at this point, it is ready to be served. And you can enjoy this with any side of choice. You can enjoy it as it is, or you can enjoy it with your chicken and salad, guys. And then dinner or lunch will be ready. I hope you give this a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. And don't forget to hit the post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified.